A Amana dryer. It's electric. During the diagnosis, we noticed that if you wiggle the timer knob here, the stem on the timer will make the connection for the heating element to come on. The complaint was that it was not heating properly. The element would not come on at all. But like I said, when we move this, it would. So that's just simply a new timer. So the repair that we're doing today is going to be a new timer. So to start by taking the timer knob off, and then we'll go to the back. Got a couple screws here. The back plate. Got the timer back here. This one's going to be held in by almost like a little clip here. You can just squeeze it. There's be one on the top and there should be one on the bottom as well. Looks like it's gonna be a lot easier to pull this off and gain access to everything. The ground wire, a couple harnesses. They can only go on one way, so I'm not too worried about keeping track here. Got the new timer here. Got to kind of line it up with the clips, and all you simply just push down. Nice and sturdy. And we'll just finish by putting the back panel on, and we should be all set.